Did you know that something as simple as guava leaf tea can help fight up to 6 common diseases? Science confirms it. And today, I'm going to show you what these diseases are and, of course, how to prepare the tea correctly. Stay with me until the end, because the last one will surprise you. The often overlooked guava leaf is a real medicinal treasure. Rich in antioxidants, tannins, and anti-inflammatory compounds, it has been used for generations to treat various health problems. But do you know all the benefits? Today, we're going to dive into this powerful, easy-to-make, and affordable natural solution. We live in a world where chemical medicines are everywhere. But what if the solution to some of the most common ailments was right in your backyard? Many people underestimate the power of medicinal plants and end up spending fortunes on treatments when they could benefit from something as simple as guava leaf tea. Number 1. Diabetes control. Guava leaf tea has made a name for itself as a natural ally in diabetes control, being widely studied for its positive effects on reducing blood sugar levels. This is because guava leaves are rich in bioactive compounds such as flavonoids and tannins, which help regulate glucose metabolism. These compounds act by reducing the activity of enzymes that transform carbohydrates into simple sugar, slowing down the absorption of glucose in the intestine. In addition, tea improves insulin sensitivity, a crucial factor for those living with type 2 diabetes. Studies published in renowned scientific journals indicate that regular consumption of tea can help reduce glycemic spikes after meals, a common challenge for diabetics. But beware, although guava leaf tea is a great complementary strategy, it does not replace medication prescribed by doctors. Always consult a health professional before starting any natural treatment, especially if you already use hypoglycemic drugs to avoid interactions. The simplicity and proven benefits make guava leaf tea an affordable and powerful option in the natural management of diabetes, helping to promote greater glycemic control and quality of life. Number 2. Relief from diarrhea and digestive problems. Guava leaf tea is widely recognized for its medicinal properties, especially when it comes to relieving digestive problems such as diarrhea. Guava leaves have natural compounds with a strong astringent action, which help to reduce inflammation in the intestinal tract and control excessive bowel movements. These effects are mainly attributed to the tannins present in the leaves, which act against intestinal infections, promoting an effective antibacterial and antimicrobial action. Diarrhea, which is often caused by bacterial infections or imbalances in the intestinal flora, can be relieved naturally with regular use of this tea. By consuming guava leaf tea, it acts directly on the intestinal mucosa, promoting faster recovery and preventing excessive fluid loss, which is crucial during diarrheal episodes. In addition, the tea is also effective in treating other digestive disorders, such as intestinal cramps and indigestion, due to its ability to calm and relax the digestive system. In addition, guava leaf tea helps regulate intestinal transit, preventing episodes of constipation. It is worth remembering that although it is an excellent natural option in cases of severe or persistent diarrhea, it is essential to seek medical advice for appropriate treatment. Tea can be a complementary strategy to restore digestive balance safely and effectively. Number 3. Fighting colds and flu. Guava leaf tea is a powerful natural remedy for fighting colds and flu due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Guava leaves are rich in vitamin C, an essential nutrient that strengthens the immune system and helps fight viral infections, such as those that cause the flu and the common cold. Vitamin C is widely known for its ability to stimulate the production of white blood cells, cells that are essential for the body's defense against viruses and bacteria. In addition, guava leaf tea contains flavonoids and phenolic compounds that have antioxidant action, helping to reduce the damage caused by free radicals during viral infections and promoting faster recovery. This tea also has anti-inflammatory properties that relieve typical cold and flu symptoms such as sore throat, cough, and nasal congestion. When ingested, guava leaf tea acts directly on the respiratory system, providing a calming effect on the airways, relieving inflammation, and facilitating breathing. Regularly drinking 1 to 2 cups a day can help speed up recovery from respiratory infections. In addition, combining the tea with honey and lemon further enhances its decongestant and anti-inflammatory effect, making it a comforting and therapeutic drink for anyone suffering from cold or flu symptoms. Number 4. Cholesterol reduction. Guava leaf tea has been shown to be an effective alternative for reducing cholesterol, especially for controlling LDL cholesterol, known as bad cholesterol, and promoting cardiovascular health. Guava leaves are rich in bioactive compounds such as flavonoids, saponins, and phenolic acids, which play a crucial role in modulating blood lipid levels. These compounds help inhibit the action of enzymes that favor the production of bad cholesterol in the liver, as well as improving the excretion of cholesterol through the stool. Several scientific studies have shown that regular consumption of guava leaf tea can significantly lower LDL cholesterol levels, while raising HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol. In addition, guava leaf tea can also help reduce triglycerides, another type of fat present in the blood, which, when elevated, can increase the risk of cardiovascular disease. The antioxidant effect of the tea, which comes from flavonoids, also helps to prevent the buildup of plaques in the arteries, which reduces the risk of atherosclerosis and other heart problems. Although guava leaf tea is an excellent option for controlling cholesterol, it should be combined with a balanced diet, rich in natural foods and regular physical activity to promote cardiovascular health in an integral way. Number 5. Oral health. Guava leaf tea is a powerful natural option for oral health and is widely used to combat common problems such as gingivitis, bad breath, and inflammation in the mouth. Guava leaves have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, which are essential for maintaining good oral hygiene and preventing infections. The flavonoids present in the leaves help fight bacteria and fungi that can accumulate in the mouth and cause periodontal disease, while the tannins have an astringent action, promoting toning of the gums and helping to heal mouth sores. Guava leaf tea can also be used as a natural antiseptic, preventing the formation of plaque and fighting the bacteria responsible for bad breath, while reducing inflammation of the gums and oral mucous membranes. In addition, studies show that regular consumption of tea can help improve gum health, preventing bleeding and pain caused by gingivitis, an inflammatory condition that affects the gums. The recommendation is to gargle with the tea or even use it as a mouthwash after meals for continuous protection against bacteria. Daily use can be an effective and natural way of maintaining good oral health, complementing regular hygiene with brushing and flossing. Although guava leaf tea is an excellent aid, it should be combined with regular visits to the dentist to ensure complete and preventive oral health care. Number 6. Acne control and skin health. Guava leaf tea is a powerful ally in controlling acne and promoting skin health. Due to its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial properties. Guava leaves are rich in vitamin C, an essential nutrient for the production of collagen, which helps keep the skin firm healthy, and elastic. Acne is often caused by inflammation and infections in the sebaceous glands, and the compounds present in guava leaves, such as flavonoids and tannins, act directly on these causes, reducing inflammation and fighting the bacteria that clog the skin's pores. In addition, guava leaf tea has an astringent effect, helping to control excessive sebum production, which is one of the main causes of acne. When used topically, the tea can be applied directly to the skin to help cleanse and disinfect areas affected by pimples and blackheads. Tea can also be consumed regularly to promote internal improvement, as its antioxidants fight free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, one of the factors that contributes to premature aging and other dermatological conditions. Drinking tea regularly can help balance the hormonal system and promote cleaner, healthier skin, while topical use can help treat inflammation and heal acne lesions. However, it is important to remember that although guava leaf tea is an excellent natural option, it should be combined with proper hygiene care and dermatological follow-up, especially in cases of severe acne. In addition to its proven benefits, guava leaf tea can be easily incorporated into the daily routine. However, it is important to remember that despite its therapeutic effects, the tea should be used as a complement to a healthy lifestyle, combined with a balanced diet and self-care practices. Whenever necessary, medical advice is essential for safe and effective treatment, especially in more serious cases. Guava leaf tea, when used correctly, can bring numerous health benefits in a simple and natural way. To prepare the tea, you need 5 fresh or dried guava leaves and 500 milliliters of water. Wash the leaves to remove impurities, boil the water, and add the leaves, letting them cook for about 10 minutes. Then simply strain and consume. It is recommended to drink a cup after the main meals of the day to enjoy the benefits effectively. Just for the determined people who stayed until the end of this video, leave a comment here. I stayed until the end. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to always take care of your health, and see you in the next video.